So I'm here with Stacy Welch, who's with the Marriott Corporation. She's oversees your fire and life safety in every Marriott property. I don't want you to explain that in a minute. And of course, I have Joe Delaune, the chief architect at the Louisiana State Fire Marshal's office. And Stacy, our office has always been impressed with the Marriott way. And I guess what I'm talking about is in the way in which y'all design, supervise, and approve Marriott properties specifically for fire safety. And I really wish you'd give the citizens of Louisiana a real quick overview of y'all's process.
Sure. So there's a long legacy of safety and that being a priority with the Marriott Corporation. And we are able to do that because of the senior leadership, starting with Bill Marriott Sr. And the importance they put on protecting their guests and their associates who work in their hotels. So we're very fortunate to have that backing. And then essentially we work with our building owners and their design teams to ensure that the buildings that are, as they're opening, are compliant with Marriott's own life safety standards.
Right. Well, you know, and Joe, our perspective, I mean, I'm very proud of our plan review system in Louisiana that's validated with a code enforcement inspection process. And, you know, I guess talk a little bit about how we kind of like to see Marriott submittals to us.
It makes our job really easy. When your architect finishes his plans, when he gets to a certain point, he'll upload them on our system and we have it there immediately. We'll assign it to one of our staff architects. It's nice to see the Marriotts because they go above and beyond. We look at minimum code and we try to coach and kind of steer things, and where it's deficient, we don't really see a whole lot of deficiencies here. We work really well with them. It goes in pretty quick, and of course when construction or renovation, wherever it may be, starts, we'll do the main part of it, and then the fire systems come in later. We have modifications to them or new installations. So the process evolves, and it's really nice to see someone who cares and goes above and beyond code. It makes our job really easier.
You know, and I'll compare that Marriott process to a similar process we see in the petrochemical and industrial industry in Louisiana, because many of the projects in an industrial facility are engineered to a desired level of safety standards, which in most cases exceeds the consensus building codes, and a lot of it's driven by risk. You know, when you look at large companies, they want to build something that creates the least amount of risk of accidents or emergencies to occur, similar to I guess the way y'all view your code application before you look at what state regulations are. And we just appreciate the partnership of Marriott. It's a breath of fresh air. We as code people, we work hard in our arenas of code enforcement, public education, fire investigation, and of course abating the crimes of arson in Louisiana. And partners like Marriott make our job very fulfilling, and we appreciate you being with us, Stacy, and we look forward to a continuing working relationship with the Marriott Corporation.
That's great, thank you. And we feel the same way. I think all of us working together gets us to that level of safety that we want to be able to provide. So we equally appreciate the partnership.
Sure. Good. Well, a lot more to come.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.